Hi, I'm Nikki, and today we're going to be teaching in the whiteboard, on my smartboard, and a Clevertouch display.
All right, I've got a whiteboard here. I like that one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try video. This one's good.
Oh, I like. An activity, let's go here.
Do this.
Okay. Let's see, bananas, making change here. And that would be $1.68 for a bunch. $2. So let's make some change.
Okay, let's count that.
$1.69, $1.70, $1.75, and $2. All right, good job.
Add another page.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we want to look for pennies.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah, that's good. Let's do the dime. And a nickel. Whoa. Give us a nickel. Not Nike. Nickel.
Oh, we got one.
We got one. Right now, a quarter. Go ahead and put it in presentation. Get rid of all this. Oh, okay. All right. So
Right.
what are we working on?
We'll have them. We'll have them try to figure out some change.
I think I wrote on this.
Oh, yeah. We have to go back to pen.
Yeah.
$2. Maybe they can make a change from that.
Two pennies here. A nickel and quarter. Oh. Whoops.
All right.
Oh no. Doesn't seem to be any undo.
All right.